What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how we construct a water system on our Peterbilt water truck. We just got this Peterbilt water truck in and it has rear spray heads only. Our customer has requested that we have front spray heads, so we are going to be building this system all the way from the ground up. Since there's no kit for these trucks, we're going to be building it out of 21-foot piece of pipe. It's 3-inch Schedule 40. It's kind of like an elaborate set of Legos. First step today, we're going to cut our pipe. We've got to bevel the edges for perfect weld penetration. In open root welding, the two pieces of pipe are not even touching, so we've got this bent piece of wire that I'm going to use for exact spacing all the way around our pipe. We're going to put 4 tack welds on this piece of pipe just to hold it all together, and then we're going to remove our rods so we can do our root pass. Now that we've got our two pieces of pipe tacked together, we're going to go back through and we're going to feather the edges of our tacks. That way when we come through with our root pass, we're going to have a continuous bead all the way around. Our first weld around the pipe would also be known as the root pass. I'm going to clean these welds up and I'm going to put 2 more beads on that, also known as my cap pass. Now I got lucky today because this isn't under the truck yet, so I was able to just spin this pipe as I was going. But as soon as I put it underneath there, I'll have to do it in a fixed position. Now we're gonna slide our pipes together and get everything lined up. We're just doing a couple more checks to make sure that nothing's gonna interfere with it. Now we've got to weld the opposite end of this pipe up underneath this truck. Here we've got our spray bar already fabbed up. We've got our valves on here. Next step, we're going to be installing our heads, and then we're going to slap it on our Peterbilt. We've got our front spray head system hooked up, plumbed up, and ready to go. I think our customer's going to be extremely happy. We're always modifying equipment for different applications. For all your metal fabrication needs, check out newmantractor.com.